Ready? Start. It is very important that there should be careful arrangements in a business to make sure that the stock is well controlled stock. The value of stock can be very high, and there are numerous ways in which house losses can occur. Stop. It is also important to ensure that only the right kind of goods are held in stock, and in addition that the right goods are available at the time when they are wanted and in the place where they are wanted. Stop. Money must not be tied up in unnecessary stocks, and men and machines must not lack work because the materials for it are not to hand. Semicolon. The warehouse and the showroom must not run out of the lines required by the customers. Full stop. Next stanza. It is obviously a very much better thing to prevent the losses from occurring than to make a note of them when they do occur. Stop. Goods should always be accommodated in a store that is suitable for them, and should be the responsibility of a reliable store keeper who will see that they are kept in good condition. Stop. Goods which are particularly valuable and those which are likely to be lost or stolen should be kept in special rooms or compartments which can be locked. Stop. Stanza. There are several purposes in the keeping of stock records. Stop. They do as a matter of course, show what stock is lost or wasted, but they show also when stock is not being used and can provide useful information on goods that are being held or are in order in relation to the requirements of plants for production and selling. Stop. Moreover, records give an account of the goods which have been purchased, and as far as it is possible to do so, they trace their progress through the business until the time when they are delivered and charged to the customers. Stop. They are also of considerable value as a check on the stocks themselves. Stop. If stock checks are to be of any use, any should be carried out frequently. Stop. It is generally wise to have a system under which the storeman checks and counts the stock of different items each day in such a manner that over a period all terms of stock are checked. Stop. This system has been found more efficient than that of setting aside certain days each year for the checking of all the stocks that are held stop. If a difference between the stock in the record is found, it should be always be reported immediately, comma, and the position should be made known to the stores or factory manager so that the right action can be taken. Stop. For each item of stock, it is usual to fix a minimum level which is estimated as enough for the time it will take to place the order for new supplies and have them in the store ready for use. Stop. When the minimum level has been reached, the buying department should be informed to the quantities to be ordered. Full stop.